know, it's been 50 years since the National Cancer Act was passed, and we've made tremendous progress in those 50 years, but not nearly enough. There's still over 40,000 American women who die from metastatic breast cancer every year, so we still have a long way to go. And that's why when Pam Cole from the Komen Foundation approached us about this novel idea of a metastatic breast cancer collaborative research initiative, we were all on board. It was a fantastic idea to bring together the best ideas and scientists and clinicians from Duke and UNC together to make a difference in metastatic breast cancer.
It's an amazing time in science. As Mike said, 50 years of the National Cancer Act, but progress is accelerated dramatically. However, as Pam Cole came to us, she reiterated that some people are being left behind. We've made such progress with immunotherapy and many other ways of targeting tumors, but metastatic breast cancer remains one of the real problems in our country and in fact the world. When Pam came up with this idea of getting Komen funding to bring Duke and UNC together to take these two great institutions with enormous scientific capability, both Mike and I leaped at this opportunity.
The amount of money that Komen raised for this is extraordinary. The grants are large enough for them projects to make a significant impact. There are three very exciting projects that were chosen after a very competitive process. One of them is to develop new approaches to stimulate the immune system to attack the cancer cells. So using the woman's own immune system to help eradicate the cancer. The other two projects that were selected are about disparities, why African American women and other minorities have worse outcome in the treatment of metastatic breast cancer. One of those projects is to understand whether the biology of the tumor is different, and that's why they have worse outcome. And the other is to understand the social determinants of responses to therapy. And that includes understanding how stress leads to not only the development of cancer, but the responses of those cancers to therapies.
And the beauty of this is that some of it builds upon science that's been underway for the last 20 years. And now we are, because of the Komen gift, we're able to take advantage of that. But maybe most importantly is that we're bringing together two groups of scientists with what we call complementary skills, that they can take a problem and together they can look at it in a more effective way. This is the way to get at the problem of metastatic breast cancer. You know, we have extolled the virtues of working together in this very important thing that's been funded by Pam Cole and Komen. But still, there is a rivalry, and we need to keep that in mind. But for today, Mike and I are exchanging hats.
So look forward to working together, Shelley.